How to create great accounts in Nigeria. Welcome to Value Skills TV. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can create great accounts in Nigeria. Let's go. So guys, come over to your Chrome. You can use any browser actually. We will be using Chrome. Go over to your Chrome, click on it, and click on the plus sign so that you open a new tab, and then type grade.co and search. Click on accept all. Fine. Then click on the three lines. You will see get started, it's free. So I'll just click on get started, it's free. So the next thing we are going to do is to click the country. Click on this arrow that you're seeing here, choose your country. Just click on the box and choose your country. So I'll put in Nigeria here. Then I'll click on continue, and I'll click on proceed with Nigeria. So here now I'm going to put in my first name and my son name. I'm going to put in my first name, the first name that I'm seeing on my ID. I will write it here. Come over to middle name. If you have a middle name, write the middle name. If you don't have a middle name, go to your son name and leave the middle name. So I'll come over to middle name and write. Come over to son name and write. Then when you are done writing that, come over here, pick your gender. Are you a male or female? So this account is for a male. I'll click on male. Gmail address, I'll enter the Gmail address here. So after putting in the Gmail, you put in your phone number. This referral code is optional, you can leave it, and you click on continue. Go ahead, create password, confirm the password. I'll do that off camera. So as you can see, I'm done creating my password, and while creating your password, you will see the instruction, and after you are done, just tick I agree, I accept. Agree, accept. Then you click on continue. Save it. Go ahead and save. Then you will see verify your email address. So they said please enter the OTP sent to your email address you provided to verify your email address. So you are going to go back to your email address and check the OTP that is sent to you. You can see it here. Great, confirm your identity. Click on it. Copy the code. Come back to your Gray account and paste the code. So when you are done pasting the code, click on verify your account. Now you will come over to this point where they'll ask you, what do you want to use Gray account for? Just go ahead and click on get a foreign account to receive payments and click on submit. Click on begin ID verification. Click on it. Go ahead and enter your street address. So go ahead and fill in the street address. Once you fill in the street address, you'll see that they automatically put in the country, the state, city, the postal code that you provided. Okay, and now your date of birth. And for you to do that, simply click on this icon you're seeing, then choose your date of birth, then proof of address type. Click on it. So here now you're going to put in the ID that you'll be using to verify this account. So you can use your utility bill, you can use tax statement. So I'm going to go ahead and click on utility bill because that's the one I'll be using. So I will go ahead and click on upload file. So guys, go ahead and click on why using the app. When you click on it, then go to your media pick. I don't know how yours will be showing, but it should be in your gallery. So come over to your gallery and click on it. Click on it. So I'll go ahead and select the utility bill. I'll select it, and have you see I've uploaded the file. So I'll click on continue. You can save the password, cancel. So you can see you are almost there. Do you identify as a politically exposed person? Please say no. Tick on no. Are you a family member? Or just tick no. Then click on continue. Now complete your KYC verification. Just come down and click on begin identity verification. So here you can see this will require you to upload a copy of your government issued ID such as international passport, national ID, driver's license. So if you have any of it, go ahead. So click on begin identity verification. Click on get started. Click on I'm ready. What I'll be using here is passport. I'll click on passports. Then I'll click on allow this time. So when you're done uploading your selfie, click on continue. Click on return to your dashboard. Can you see your account has been verified? Can you see it? So go ahead and click on close. Scroll down, you will see get your UK bank account. Click on get your UK bank account. Alright, so go ahead and click on yes, it is correct. Click on I'm a freelancer. Then what is your occupation? Write publisher. Go ahead and click on publisher. What freelance platform do you use? You are going to type in Amazon. So click on Amazon KDP. If you want to use this particular account for any other thing, you can come over here and click on other. But because I want to use it for Amazon KDP, I'll go ahead and click on Amazon KDP. Monthly income band. Select choose any income of your choice. Choose anyone. Then if you don't know how to open a LinkedIn account, go ahead and type on YouTube how to open a LinkedIn account. After opening your LinkedIn account, copy your profile link. Your profile link, that's what you paste here. Paste it here. Click on I confirm and submit. You can see your UK bank account is ready. You can now start receiving payment in, can you see it? View account information. Click on it. Your account is now ready. I requested for British pound, and that's what they gave to me. So my account is now ready. You can start receiving your money. So when you scroll down, you are going to see where they say okay, no, this is US. This is the account that we requested for. You can see what they said here. Your UK bank account details. Can you see it? So they have given me the bank account details. Now what I'm going to do is to go ahead, copy the bank account details and paste on my Amazon. And if you want to use it for any other thing, what you're going to do is when someone wants to pay you money, simply come over here, copy the account details and send to the person. That person will forward your money in pounds.
Thank you for watching till this stage. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that whenever I post awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to get notification. And remember, if you have any question, write it on the comment section. Share the video so that people will also benefit from this video. God bless you.